What's up, everyone? Just got our 2020 all-wheel drive Transit 350 Crew. It's a dually with the extension. I haven't seen very many videos on this, so I'm just going to upload this real quick to show you how the seat is situated. And sorry about all of our cardboard. We're trying to figure out how we're going to lay out our cargo section of the van. But basically, it's like the third row in like the really short passenger van, so it comes out pretty far. It's basically touching the door, overhanging this sill, and then you got about 9 inches of clearance in between the door and the seat. So right there. So if you had a big box that was 9 inches wide, you could slide it straight up in there. They do come out, they're releasable, and we found a 2-seater on Facebook Marketplace recently, and so they drop right into this existing track. It's 17 inches on that side and 24-inch spacing on this side. So the shorter typical 3-seater that's in the passenger van will not fit here because they use this track, or this like little cavity for their track on that one, just so you give enough room to get through. But I guess for this one, their thought was you're gonna have a bulkhead like we're trying to plan out here. And there is a big cover, so this carpet comes all the way out to this pillar, and that airbag you can see there gets covered. So this whole thing is just carpet, and then it drops off. Same with the floor. I ripped the floor out already. The floor just stops right here at that pillar. Hopefully this gives you a good idea, because I had no idea what we were buying because there was no examples anywhere online. Batteries are under the seat. There's nothing under this seat, so we're just kind of going through figuring out what we're going to do with it. But hopefully this helps. I can show you guys around the back if you're curious. So we did get this ramp. It's probably my favorite ramp I found. Got it installed. Wasn't too difficult. It swivels out though, which is really nice, so you don't have to deploy it in order to get into the back. And this is just kind of our mock-up, trying to figure out where we're going to put all our gear. We're going to be using this for video production, so just making full-scale mock-ups to see what fits and what won't fit. And this is our idea of a bulkhead, just so we can have more storage above the passengers, because it's a lot of wasted space, and especially with the carpet that comes across. It covers the side airbags, but it cuts out just straight across there, so I think it's made for channeling the air and everything to the back on the passenger vans, but it's a waste of space for us, and so we're just trying to figure out how to utilize that better. And that should be it. If you guys got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Try and answer them the best I can. I might do a series on this video, and if there's a lot of response on it, I'll probably do better ones in the future. So that's all for now. Have a good one.